In this video, you'll learn how to create a wallet on Binance. By the end of this guide, you will have successfully registered an account and access your wallet on the platform. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the option to register an account. You can choose to sign up using either your email address or your phone number. When entering your details, ensure that you create a strong password to enhance your account security. After filling in the required information, you will receive a verification code via email or SMS. Input this code to confirm your identity and make sure to accept the platform's terms and conditions before proceeding. Completing this registration process grants you access to your Binance wallet. After successfully registering, log in to your Binance account using the credentials you just created. Upon logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, locate the wallet section, which is typically found in the main navigation menu. Click on this section to access your wallets. Binance automatically generates wallets for all supported assets, so you do not need to create them manually. Take a moment to review the different types of wallets available, including your spot, funding, and earn wallets to familiarize yourself with their functions. Once you have accessed your wallets, it is crucial to secure your account. Start by enabling two-factor authentication, which adds an extra layer of security. Additionally, set up anti-phishing codes to protect against potential phishing attempts. It is important to avoid sharing your wallet details publicly, as this can compromise your account's safety. As you begin to use your wallet, consider starting with small deposits to test the functionality before making larger transactions. Regularly monitor your wallet activity to stay informed about any transactions and ensure everything is in order. Keep your recovery information secure, as this will be essential should you ever need to recover your account. Make sure to store this information in a safe place, away from prying eyes. Understanding the importance of security will enhance your experience on Binance and help protect your assets. Following these steps ensures that you can safely use your wallet without unnecessary risks. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.